If you're into sailing, fishing, or just want a rugged smartwatch that works as hard as you do, even when you're chest deep in saltwater, Garmin's Quatix series has probably caught your attention. The Quatix 7, released in 2022, has become a favorite among boaters and marine enthusiasts. Now, Garmin is stepping it up with the Quatix 8, offering several notable upgrades. But how much of a leap is it really? Is it a major evolution or more of a polished update? Let's take a closer look. Visually, the Quatix 8 sticks close to the design playbook of its predecessor. You're still getting a tough-as-nails build, titanium bezel, sapphire crystal lens, and a fiber-reinforced polymer case. It's purpose-built for harsh marine environments. What's new is the inclusion of inductive buttons, the same tech used in Garmin's Fenix 8. These are less prone to failure from grit or salt buildup and offer better waterproofing. There's also a metal sensor guard and improved sealing, boosting the watch's dive rating to 40 meters. Display-wise, the Quatix 8 standardizes on a 1.4-inch AMOLED screen for both 47mm and 51mm models. While the Quatix 7 AMOLED had this, the standard and solar versions didn't. So if you're coming from one of those, this is a noticeable upgrade, more vibrant, more readable, and just plain sharper. This is where the Quatix 8 really starts to stand apart. It introduces a built-in speaker and microphone, allowing you to take phone calls straight from your wrist, something Garmin previously reserved for their more smartwatch-oriented wearables. But the real game-changer is voice control for marine devices. With the Quatix 8, you can issue commands like zoom in, change heading, or follow route to your Garmin chart plotter, hands-free. If you're navigating rough waters or working the deck, this is more than a gimmick. It's convenience redefined. The Quatix 7 had helm and chart plotter control, but it relied on buttons and touchscreen inputs. The Quatix 8 takes it a step further with a more natural and intuitive interface. Here's a major differentiator. The Quatix 8 finally brings dive capabilities to the Quatix line. You get full support for scuba and free diving, with tracking down to 40 meters. It automatically logs dive entry and exit via GPS and includes features like nitrox support, deep stops, safety stop guidance, and a 3-axis dive compass. Garmin even included the Buellmann ZHL 16C decompression algorithm, a serious tool for dive planning. The Quatix 7 didn't offer any of this, so for divers, this alone might make the Quatix 8 the obvious choice. When it comes to core boating functionality, both models are stacked. You can control autopilot, monitor engine data, manage fusion audio, operate trolling motors, and receive anchor alerts. Sailing tools like tack assist, race timers, and virtual start lines are also shared between both. The big update? Again, it's voice control. While the fundamental features haven't changed much, the way you interact with them has become significantly smoother on the Quatix 8. Both watches are packed with solid navigation tech. They use multiband GNSS, SAT-IQ, and offer topo-active maps, BlueChart G3 marine charts, and even golf and ski maps. You also get features like back to start, breadcrumb navigation, and next fork for hiking or off-the-grid exploration. What's improved on the Quatix 8 is performance. Thanks to upgraded internal hardware, maps load faster, scrolling is smoother, and syncing settings with the Garmin Connect app happens more seamlessly. On the wellness front, both watches include the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, PulseOx, ECG, and other staples like stress, hydration, respiration, and body battery. But the Quatix 8 comes with Garmin's newest health features baked in. That includes training readiness, HRV status, sleep coach with nap detection, jet lag advisor, and morning report. Some of these may show up on the Quatix 7 via updates, but they won't be guaranteed across all variants or regions. If fitness and recovery tracking are a priority, the Quatix 8 has the edge right out of the box. The Quatix 8 leans more into the smartwatch category with several convenient additions. There's Garmin Pay for contactless purchases, offline music support for Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music, and the new Garmin Messenger app for two-way communication, even without cell coverage, via satellite on supported phones. Safety has also been upgraded with Live Track, Group Live Track, and Incident Detection, which can send your location if something goes wrong out on the water or anywhere else. While many of these features existed on select Quatix 7 variants, especially the AMOLED edition, They feel more refined and fully integrated on the Quatix 8. Garmin didn't mess with success here. The 47mm Quatix 8 delivers up to 16 days of battery in smartwatch mode, or 7 days with the always-on AMOLED active. The 51mm model stretches it further to 29 days. This is similar to the Quatix 7 AMOLED. The solar model of the Quatix 7 can outperform it in bright outdoor conditions, but in everyday use, the Quatix 8's efficient AMOLED and optimized internals make it a solid performer. The Quatix 8 isn't cheap. $199 for the 47mm and $1,299 for the 51mm model puts it in premium territory. By contrast, the base Quatix 7 started at around $599, with prices climbing for the AMOLED or solar editions. But that price jump reflects what you're getting: more sensors, more features, better performance, and unique tools like diving and voice control that weren't previously available in the Quatix lineup. So what's actually new with the Quatix 8? Quite a bit. From full diving support, voice command integration, and smartwatch refinements, it brings a more polished and versatile experience. If you already own a Quatix 7 AMOLED and aren't interested in diving or voice control, it might not be worth the jump. But if you're using a standard or solar model, or if you want a true all-in-one tool for boating, fitness, diving, and daily life, the Quatix 8 is Garmin's most advanced marine smartwatch yet. It's not a radical redesign, but it's a smart and meaningful upgrade. And for those who need it, it's likely worth every penny.